How to use spreadsheets. Autofill. To use autofill, first enter 3 numbers. Highlight those numbers. And then you will click on the small blue square and drag. Let's do that again by 5s. 5, 10, and then 15. Highlight the numbers, and then click and drag. That's it. Function, sum. Press equals, then type in the word sum. Open parentheses, and then click and drag to highlight your numbers. Close parentheses, and then press enter. One more time, press equals, type in the word sum, open parentheses, click and drag to highlight your numbers, and then close parentheses, press enter. One more time. Equals sum, open parentheses, highlight the numbers, close parentheses, and enter. Function, average. Press equals, then type in the word average, open parentheses, click and drag to highlight your numbers, close parentheses, and then press enter. Formulas. To follow a formula, all you have to do is click on the correct box. So in this formula, it's open parentheses, times rate, times length, times width, close parentheses, and divide by 2. Then press enter. Press equals, open parentheses, times rate, times length, times width, close parentheses, and then divide by 2. You can just click and drag to copy the formula to the other boxes. Charts. Highlight all the information, including the titles on top of the columns, and then click on the Insert Chart button. Go to Chart Types, scroll down, and select Scatter. Then go to Customization. The most important thing is to add a trend line. Click on the trend line and go down the menu until you find the most suitable one. Not quite right. Perfect. That's it.